Across India, remember him as Chacha Nehru.
Indira Gandhi. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was the first lady Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was the only child of Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. She presided over a period where India emerged with greater power than before, with considerable political, economic and military developments.
Mahatma Gandhi, known as the father of the nation, was the preeminent leader of the Indian nationalism in British rule India. Employing non-violence civil disobedience, Gandhi led India to independence and inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. The title Mahatma, applied to him first in South Africa, is now used worldwide. He is also called Bapu in India.
Unni Archa. Unni Archa is a popular legendary warrior and heroine mentioned in the Vadakan Pattagal, the old ballads of North Malabar. She is a popular character in Kerala's folklore. She is believed to have lived in the northern part of Kerala during the 16th century and is praised for her bravery and beauty.
Tipu Sultan was known as the Tiger of Mysore. As a soldier, he expanded his kingdom by conquering his neighbors. Tipu was killed while defending his fort. He was the first king to be martyred defending his homeland against the British Empire.
Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is also known as the Nightingale of India. She was a child prodigy, Indian independence activist, and a poet. Naidu was one of the formers of the Indian Constitution and the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress. She was the first woman to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh.
Kerala Varma Parshiraja was one of the earliest freedom fighters in India. He was the princely regent of the princely state of Kottayam or Kottayur. His struggles in English East India Company is known as the Kottayur War and is popularly known as the Kerala Simham.
Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba Gandhi was the wife of Mahatma Gandhi. Working closely with her husband, Kasturba Gandhi became a political activist, fighting for civil rights and Indian independence from the British. Gandhi and Kasturba began an ashram in South Africa called Phoenix. In 1944, she died in Gandhi's arms while both were in prison in Pune.
Swami Vivekananda. He was a key figure in the introduction of Indian philosophies of Vedanta and Yoga to the Western world and is credited to the raising of interfaith awareness. The Orange monk once said, "You cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself."
Jhansi Ki Rani. One of the best known and respected freedom fighters against the British rule in India was none other than Rani Lakshmi Bai, otherwise known as Jhansi Ki Rani. When her husband, the Maharaja of Jhansi, died, she took it upon herself to continue a brave and vigorous fight against the British. She paid the ultimate price by giving up her life in a battle with the British in 1858.
Subhash Chandra Bose, known as Netaji, and one of the most prominent Indian nationalist leaders who attempted to gain Indian independence from the British rule by force during the waning years of World War II with the help of Axis powers.
Annie Besant. Annie Besant was a prominent theosophist, social reformer, political leader, women's rights activist, writer, and orator. She was of Irish origin and made India her second home. She fought for the rights of the Indians and was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress. She helped to establish the Home Rule League to campaign for democracy in India.
Shahid Bhagat Singh, considered one of the most influential revolutionaries of Indian independence movement. Bhagat Singh sacrificed his life for India when he was just 23 years old. Following the war cry, "Inqilab Zindabad," as many revolutionaries of the time, he once said, Azadi Meri Dulhan Hai. This highlighted his life of long commitment to the freedom struggle